Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the exciting world of starting a profitable side hustle from scratch. Whether you are looking to earn some extra cash or turn your passion into a thriving business, we have got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive into our step-by-step guide on how to start a profitable side hustle. Step 1. Identify your skills and interest. Step 1 is to identify your skills and interests. Take some time to assess your strengths, hobbies, and the things you are passionate about. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This will help you find a side hustle that aligns with your abilities and brings you joy. Step 2. Research and validate your idea. Next, it's time to research and validate your idea. Look for market demand and competition in your chosen field. Is there a need for your product or service? Are there other businesses already offering similar solutions? By conducting thorough research, you can ensure that your side hustle has the potential to be profitable. Step 3. Create a business plan. Step 3 is to create a business plan. This will serve as your roadmap and help you define your goals, target audience, pricing strategies, and marketing plans. A solid business plan will keep you focused and organized as you start your side hustle journey. Step 4. Set up your brand and online presence. Moving on to Step 4, it's time to set up your brand and online presence. Choose a memorable name for your side hustle and create a logo and visual identity that represents your brand. Establish your presence on social media platforms and create a professional website to showcase your products or services. Step 5. Acquire the necessary tools and resources. Number 5 on our list is to acquire the necessary tools and resources for your side hustle. Depending on your chosen field, you may need specific equipment, software, or supplies. Invest in quality tools that will help you deliver excellent products or services to your customers. Step 6. Start marketing and promoting your side hustle. Next, it's time to start marketing and promoting your side hustle. Utilize social media platforms, create engaging content, and leverage digital marketing techniques to reach your target audience. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to expand your reach and gain credibility. Step 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Moving on to Step 7, providing exceptional customer service is crucial for the success of your side hustle. Deliver your products or services with professionalism and care. Be responsive to customer inquiries and feedback, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Happy customers can become your biggest advocates. Step 8. Continuously learn and adapt. Number 8 on our list is to continuously learn and adapt. The business landscape is ever evolving, so it's important to stay updated with industry trends and customer preferences. Be open to feedback, experiment with new strategies, and be willing to adapt your side hustle as needed. Step 9. Scale and expand. Next, it's time to scale and expand your side hustle. As you gain experience and build a solid customer base, explore opportunities to grow your business. Consider hiring help, expanding your product or service offerings, or targeting new markets. Scaling your side hustle can lead to increased profitability and long-term success. Step 10. Stay committed and persistent. Finally, Step 10 is to stay committed and persistent. Starting a profitable side hustle requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. There may be challenges along the way, but with determination and a positive mindset, you can overcome them and achieve your goals. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to start a profitable side hustle from scratch. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and consistent effort, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in starting their own side hustle. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.